Hello there. In this video we'd like to present you the premium line hybrid panel. This solution is especially useful for data centers, because you can use optical and copper connectors at the same time in one panel. And thus, you save space using only one unit. Now you see colored slimline patch cords, which can be a very convenient and help to solve the problem of space organization. There is this separate video on this solution on our channel. Check the link on the screen and it is in the description to this video. Of course, you can also use ordinary patch cords. These are optical patch cords. In this demonstration, it is OM2, multimode. So, it is the real 2-in-1 solution. Let's take a closer look at optical modules. With the help of such supported adapter, you can install them. This is the copper part of the unit, where copper keystones are installed. You can combine as you like. Hybrid panel from premium line can save an additional unit in the data center or in other installations. The cost of one unit is quite expansive, and such savings may be important in some projects. We hope this information is useful for you. Thank you for your attention.